It was cloudy. The temperature was 72 degrees, the dew point 64, and the relative humidity was 76%. The wind was south at 21 miles an hour, gusting.
The National Weather Service in Wichita has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Ellsworth County in central Kansas, northwestern McPherson County in central Kansas, northeastern Rice County in central Kansas, southwestern Saline County in central Kansas, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:42 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located 5 miles southeast of Geneseo and moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. You can expect a damaging tornado. Severe weather has been confirmed by law enforcement. Confirmed tornado. The following impacts are expected. Major house and building damage is likely, and complete destruction of homes and buildings is possible. Numerous trees will be snapped. Major power outages are likely in the path of the tornado. Some roads may be blocked by tornado debris. Complete destruction of vehicles is likely. Locations impacted include Marquette and Lindsborg. This tornado warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area.